Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm out here at Car Mods and I'm about to get a sneak peek of the Tesla right now. This is a little bit different because when I usually get my car wrapped, I'm used to just dropping it off and never seeing the process or never seeing it like torn apart.
When I'm out in Calabasas, I do a backflip. Baby say my sex Aladdin because it's magic. I bought the whip from force of habit, try not to crash it. Dipping, diving through the traffic, just wanna gas it. When I'm out in Calabasas, I do a backflip. Baby say my sex Aladdin because it's magic. I bought the whip from force of habit, try not to crash it. Dipping, diving through the traffic, just wanna gas it. Swipe, 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 I just wanna splurge. I don't rock no hand-me-down, that shit is for the birds. Don't need to hit no stain because I'm dripping in detergent. Acting goofy, bet I kick him to the curb. Wait, yeah, where y'all finna learn? Elon start the wave, I'm teaching how to surf. Out in Calabasas, got my shorty looking perfect. R.I.P. to
Oh man, beautiful. It looks freaking amazing. Half of this right here done. Still gotta do the hood, front bumper, and then this side's getting worked on right now. Just got 2 doors left, but he's moving very, very fast and everything looks crazy. This thing looks like paint. Spicy. Right now we're trying to figure out how we're gonna do this because the color of this sticker right here is not the color of the wrap. And I think if I get the same color just on here and on here, that would look crazy. But the hard part is just finding this design online. So we're gonna see if we can figure it out, but that would be like the extra spice.
So I do it like this so I can mirror the other side.
Oh, okay.
That's why I do it backwards, you know? Because then when you cut a little bit in front, you cover this side and I leave a lot over there.
Yeah.
So I can have extra for when I slide it this way. Material, we gotta hold it at least so it doesn't just fall down. This kind of gives us a little guide. Boom.
Soothing.
Yeah, I know. A little rough, but it's okay. The thing about Inozetek, you install it a little bit different because you don't really stretch. With the Inozetek, we have a rule that's called the 50-50 method.
Yeah.
And how it works is you tack like the middle first, you work up and you work down.
Okay.
You know what I mean? There you go. You want to create like a little flat surface wherever you can. You can either work up or down. Inozetek is pretty forgiving. And because it still has a cap sheet, I can be pretty aggressive with it without worrying about.
Is that the top layer?
Yes.
That like little, like right there, basically, right?
Yeah, that's the bottom one.
Oh, okay.
But there is a clear one right here.
Oh.
There you go.
I see, I see.
And
so you don't scratch it and stuff.
Ah. And these are the little areas where you can create some tension. So if I stick it right here, it's not really gonna want to go because this is holding it up. You know, we can do a little bit of a relief cut, a little bit past the panel. It'll relax it a bit more. Once it doesn't want to go at all, that's when I release the cap sheet so I can heat and relax it. Because if not, it just won't go since the cap sheet's pretty thick. And the cap sheet is what's super staticky. You know, when you remove it. So try to squeegee as much as you can to avoid. So I'm gonna bring it up to here. There's a corner here. I don't want to stretch or not stretch and have like a little weird finger there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna cut that out right later and heat it and give it a little bit of stretch so it wants to hug. And the same thing, 50-50. You're kind of working with the fingers.
Yep.
One of the biggest tips that I can give like some rappers is a lot of people get scared when they see fingers. You don't want to go like towards, I guess, how do you say, you don't want to overlap the finger. You want to go like straight at the point. A lot of people think you're not supposed to do that, but that's like the best way of splitting the finger. You know what I mean? Like I would try to go towards the finger.
Dude, you make this shit look so easy.
I feel like, dude, it just becomes like natural.
Yeah. And I mean, you've done it so many times, so.
And I remember you saying like, oh, this one, to get this one out. You can actually still shave dust. We got a little one right here. There's a little black one right here. You can yeet it. Yeet it, and because it's staticky, you see how it's like jumping around?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it, but gotta try to just bring it as far out as you can to the top. I'm gonna heat that so we don't get any problems. And that helps it. shouldn't be there anymore. We just gotta heat it.
Okay.
Distortion, but that's one of the things that, like you said, like it just becomes natural. Whenever I see a car, I can read how I'm gonna lay the panel. That's one of the biggest things.
So I just left the shop, and after hanging out with RG for I think maybe like an hour or two, you could really tell that he goes the extra mile to make sure everything is perfect for you. While he was wrapping, he showed me an instance where there's a little piece of dust that got under the wrap, and he shows me how he pulls it out and make sure that it's not there. And he showed me how it looks like when it is there, and you could definitely tell that there's something underneath the wrap. So it was really cool that he was able to just run down how he's wrapping, and I kind of get like a sense of how he is as an installer, and that's something that I love to see, because you don't want somebody that's doing a bootsy job on your car. So I really appreciate you, RG, if you're watching this. All right guys, this is day 2. I'm gonna show you guys the process real quick, or the progress. I'm gonna show you all the progress real quick. Yesterday the hood wasn't complete when I showed it to you guys. Now it's complete, and this entire side over here is all done. All the trim has been put on. Everything is looking extra nice, but the last parts we have are this rear bumper right here, and we also got the front bumper.
I think the back bumper is a little bit harder just because of the curve that it has. The front bumper doesn't curve as much. It has a little bit, but when you give it that nice stretch, obviously when it's nice and prepped, it'll flow. Compared to the back bumper, it dips in a little bit harder right here. So you want to make sure that you get this stretched good enough to where you're covering here and this rounded corner. You know, regular bumpers have like a little edge, and that's it. This thing goes in and it curves in. As long as you get that nice stretch, it's cool. Little bit of the door jambs, you know, make sure that so when you close it, it looks clean. Same thing on this side, like you said, that they had done it. Same thing. Went a little bit in, so when you close it, you know, you can't see it with the light. In your trunk area as well, a little bit different, but we did that little things. We only have 2 little seams right there, but we did that whole area. Got some water, but just so it looks nice.
Yeah,
right there where the quarter panels are at, and your extra materials in there like you had requested.
Thank you.
I like it, man. Hey, whenever you're ready to sell the car, I'm right here.
Alright, so if you guys ever want to look us up, RG Vinyl on Instagram. We're located right next to the San Jose Airport on the side of the PayPal Stadium. And if you guys ever want to do something at work, maybe bring us your cars, we'll give you a discount code, RG Bean.
RG Bean?
Yeah, RG Bean.
For a $200 off.
Yeah, $200 off. Anything you do. We offer PPF, wrap, ceramic coating, paint correction. And you know, we work in a shop with car mods, so if you guys ever need something like that as well, any aftermarket installs, suspension, coilovers, tire mounts, change your wheels, body kits, anything like that, we'll hook you up for sure.
Everything.
Yep.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yep, no problem.
Car
Thank
looks
you.
amazing. We're about to take this home. Let's go. It's kind of bright outside. It's brighter outside.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Your car next. Huge shout out to RG for taking care of me. This looks beautiful. It actually looks way better than I thought it would look. 10 out of 10. If you guys want to hit him up, RG Bean for $200 off. Link is down below in the description. Follow him on Instagram. If you guys have any raps, he's about to do that GTR. Yeah, hit him up. He's a busy man, but he'll make sure to take care of you. He threw in a free ceramic coating for me and did PPF on the headlights and fog lights. So now we're all good to go. Coils are getting installed on the next video. Let me know what you guys think about the wrap, and we'll see you guys next time. I'm out. Peace.
Okay.